It is hot. Ooh, dribble. But the rum and coke is cold. And cigars are tasty. So, we're going to do like everybody else. It gets hot and you want to kind of keep the shade going a little bit. And we got an awning shade. So we're going to put it up and see how well it works. See if it actually keeps things a little bit cooler, especially on the front door and everything, and that side of the camper, because the ACs in the Cruiser really don't, well, the living room AC doesn't work as well as it should, I think. We don't know if it's just because the venting on how Crossroads builds it, or if the AC unit itself isn't big enough. We'll find out. But, you know, having the shade ain't going to hurt it. And it gives us a little bit of privacy when we just want to sit outside. Of course, you know, we put the pop-up and everything. So we'll see. So follow along as we install this and give you the rundown. It's not a expensive one. I'm not going to spend $200-300 on some expensive shade. And I went a little bit cheaper. This is a Dulepax. Got it off of Amazon. It's about 13 feet. It should fit our awning just right. I think my awning's 14 feet. See if it helps any. So, get this thing unpacked. Of course, it's got the strip that attaches to the awning itself, and it's got the zipper where you can take the lower portion off. It's supposed to be a really good fabric. Let's get this thing out and take a look. I don't think they put enough tape on it. Well, don't try this at home, boys and girls. Well, at least, you know, not unless you're prone to accidents. So order it through Amazon. I'll provide a link. See what we got. Got a nice bag that it comes in. Supposed to be a really heavy duty Titan mesh. Got to kind of work fast. We're supposed to be getting some rain in. We got stakes, bungee cords to help tie it down. So let's get this thing unfolded and get it installed. Well, first thing you're going to do is get this thing unfolded, spread out, working with a little bit of limited space. There we go. Make sure you get the right side. Zipper should be on the inside. There's a little rain flap to keep the moisture from running inside. Go ahead and unzip it. Take your upper portion off. Makes it easier to install instead of lifting up all of this at once. Pull this out the way. There we go. Now, their instructions. Sorry, you got a big crotch shot of me. That's it. Ain't really no instructions. Of course, it's kind of self-evident. I do need to get me a step stool so I can get up there. Yeah, we'll start from this side. So you just kind of keep from busting your ass best you can. Give you a little bit better camera angle. There we go. And you just kind of feed it up into this slot. Now, some of these are going to be a little hard. I may have to roll that down just a hair. Bear with me. Just edit that out later. Just kind of getting it just where I need it. All right. Back at it. Get that up in the track. We went with the zipper model because you can leave this upper portion attached. Go down here and pull it a little bit. Boom. There we go. Make sure you get it kind of centered where you need it. That should work right there. I need a little drinky drink. And of course, Kraken and Coke, drink of choice. All my party people out there. Today we're smoking a raw in Mexico. Got that in a sampler pack from Cigars International. 30 cigars for 40 bucks. Typically I smoke my El Cubanos. I love them, but just kind of branch it out, try something new. All right, now we're on to the next part. All you do from here, get your zipper lined up. Don't fall off your step stool. I'm not drunk, really I'm not. It's just my knees been bugging me. And zipper up. Look at there. There you go. Now we got a good shot. All right. Figure out how far you want to stake it. Just get a good grounding on it. Get the mallet out. Of course, if you lose your tent stakes to go with it, you can use just about any of them. Let's put a little tension on it. Let's roll up a hair. Boom, look at there. This will also help keep your awning a little secure if you get a little bit of wind. You forget it's out. Then you just roll up a little bit, put a little tension on it, and done. And there it is. She is secured, all zipped up. As you can see, we can still see out. Got some good tension on our stakes. We have to adjust that one. And it offers a little bit of privacy, which, yeah, we like that. So that ain't too bad. Well, there you go. 5 minutes to install the shade on the awning. We got extra shade on the front of the camper. We've got a little bit of privacy if we want to sit out, enjoy the evening. Took 5 minutes max maybe to install it, unpack and install it. So yeah, if you're looking for a quick little addition to your camper to increase your shade, increase your coolness levels, yeah, I'd get one. It seems to be pretty well made. It's got some decent eyelets in it. It's a really thick fabric. So the only thing I'm not enjoying is the fact that it's right up against the little barbecue pit that they have here. But hey, beggars can't be choosers sometimes. Rum and Coke is still cold. Right now, the temps here on Galveston Island are anywhere between 90 and 95, I believe. It's supposed to get up to 100, but we've got cloud cover. Had some rain this morning, so the temps are down, but it's high humidity, so it's going to feel like a sauna. So anything to keep cool, I think, is a plus. So we'll update you and let you know how this thing works out for the rest of the week.